Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about the flow control statement in Python. We're going to be going over the break statement, continue statement, and the pass statement. Guys, at the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to understand everything about the Python control statement. Okay guys, before going further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more coding and programming videos. Okay guys, without further ado, let's go. The first we are going to be talking about is the break statement. Let me give our heading, the break statement. Okay, I do suggest the break statement is simply used to exit a loop or a block of code in which it is present. Okay, let's say we have a list of names. The first item in our list should be Andrew. The second one should be AA1. The third one should be Matthew. Okay, James, and Jane. Okay, I think this item is enough. And let's say we want to create a for loop to loop through our list for name in names. Then we want to check if the name encounters this item in our list, this name in our list, James, we want our for loop to be broken, so we're going to use the break statement. Okay, else want to greet each of the user in our list. Okay, means hello name. Okay, when I run this now, you see here what happened. You see, first it looked through this first name here, Andrew, and check if the name is equal to James, which equates to false. So it passed through this first page and execute this our else statement. It greets the user. Then the other name, it look choose A1. After looking through it, it's not equal to James, so it passes it. Also this Matthew till you get to this James. When it gets to this James, it check if the name is equal to James, which equates to true. It break from our loop. So that's how you use the break statement in Python. You can also use it within a while loop. Okay, here let's say we want to create a program, a very simple program that repeats what the user enters. Okay, we want to print want our user to receive this information, enter a letter, the letter Q, anytime to exit the program. Okay, enter the letter Q anytime to exit program. Okay, then what should be in our program? I want to ask the user for an input. Okay, we're going to store it in variable in user input should be equal to input. We're going to prompt the user to enter an input, and I will repeat it. Okay, then we use our if statement as usual. We check if the user input, we're going to check if the user input is equal to, okay, if the user input is equal to the letter Q, we want our loop to break. Else we want to print our user input. Okay, no, this is a variable. When I run this now, it prompts me from an input, and it tells me enter the letter Q anytime to Q. So when I enter the letter W, see here, I receive my statement is repeated. Okay, when I enter the letter Q now, see here, our statement is broken. What this breaks simply be, it simply breaks from the loop or the block of code. Okay, let's go over to the next one, or next control statement, the continue statement. Okay, the continue statement. This continue statement is the opposite of the break statement. Instead of this continue statement to terminate the loop, it forces the loop to go over to the next iteration. Okay, let me demonstrate what I'm trying to say. Let me say we have that same list again, this same list of name. Let me create it. Let me create it here. Okay, let me run this now. Okay, let me create it. Then I will want the loop again for name. In names, I want to check if the name is equal to this time. We're going to be using the name Matthew. Okay, Matthew. If the name is equal to Matthew, we want it to continue. I want to continue, else we want to print as usual, greet the user, hello, the name. Okay, when I run this now, you see here, if you notice, it greets all the user apart from the name Matthew. That's what this continue statement simply do. It simply go over this our name in our list. It check if the name is equal to Matthew. If you escape that name and go over to the next iteration, which is James, and you give James and you also give Jane. So that is the continue statement in Python. It's really easy. Okay, let's go over to the next section called the pass statement. Okay, pass statement. Pass statement. This pass statement is really funny because it does nothing in the block of code. It does absolutely nothing in an iteration. As funny as it is, it's very necessary, especially when you don't want to pass anything into your block of code or your iteration. Okay, to prevent it from having an error. Okay, let me say I want to that my name again. I want to look through that my name list again for name in names, and I say I don't want to pass in any block of code within this my iteration. When I run this, I normally get an error telling me that expected an indented block. So that's where this pass statement come into play. When I pass this pass statement, see here, it doesn't give me an error anymore. It just simply pass it. Doesn't give me an error anymore. You can also use it in function. So you want to create a function that does nothing. We're going to call this my okay, my function. Okay. Then if I run this, you see here, I also receive an error. Okay, to prevent error from happening, I've simply passed my pass statement. When I run this again now, you see here, it doesn't give me an error anymore. When I call my function, see here, it does nothing. So that's how you use the pass statement in Python. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more coding and programming videos. If there's any part of this video you don't understand, don't forget to drop it in the comment section below. I will respond to all your comments.